Hey guys, just wanted to come and show you. Here's a clear actual photo or video of how an N54 E60 belt is actually routed. So it actually comes down like this, goes around the crankshaft, goes up around this idler, then down back around power steering, and then up around the AC, around this idler, then around the alternator, and back around the tensioner. For a person that's new to the E60 platform like I am, I couldn't find any diagram that was actually routed like this. I saw another one that actually had this routed a little differently, so it actually go down around the power steering, and then around this pulley. It was a little different, little weird. Actually took me a while, but nobody had a video like this that was completely out there, so just thought I'd upload one. All right, thanks.